the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 11 performance. So first of all, go to Start and click on Settings. Here go to the tab Privacy and Security. Here go to General and turn off all these settings by just click on it. Now again go back to the tab Privacy and Security and click on Speech, and it should be in off state. If you have it enabled, just click and turn it off. Now again go back. Now scroll down. Here you will see app permissions. So disable those which you don't want or you don't use, like camera. I don't use camera, so I'm just going to disable it. And now go back. I don't use contacts on this PC, so just go and turn it off. Again do the same with phone calls, and therefore I don't want call history as well, so turn it off. Email, I use Chrome for my email needs and don't use Windows built-in mail and calendar or other app, so I'm going to turn it off. So in short, just turn off which you don't use, and after that close it up. Now click on Start, type sys em.cpl and open. Here go to tab Advanced and click on this option which says Settings under Performance, and now select Adjust for Best Performance. It will disable your animations and things like that, and now click on Apply, OK, and close it. So the last thing is to open Task Manager. You can do it by right clicking on Start, or you can also use search and type Task Manager and open it. Here go to Startup, and this show a list of apps which run when your computer boot up. So you can disable the apps you don't want to boot up and you don't use that often. So I'm going to disable Windows Terminal, Cortana, Internet Download Manager, Epic Games Launcher, and you can disable whatever app you want, and it will make your PC boot up quicker and be responsive. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.